Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about tripods. So I've been looking for a fluid head, lightweight budget tripod that's over 60 inches tall because I'm a tall guy, and I think I found the perfect one from Velbon. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing and quick review of the Velbon M47. So without further ado, let's start it. Looking at the box first, some of the specs. The total height comes to 61.02 inches. The weight is only 2.18 pounds. Let's see what we got in the box. It's nicely packed. On the top of it, we got this holder. On the inside is the tripod in the bag that you can use to carry it around. Let's see what we got. Okay, anything else here? Not really. Okay. Another nice thing that I like about the tripod is the leveler. Over here we got a little book. Let's extend the legs. Okay. All right. Raise it up a little bit. And now we can work out with the fluid head. You can do video shots up and down and left and right, which is the most important part. From this screw over here, you adjust the left and right movement. So now it's tight and you cannot move it. You can release it as much as you want. And you can do a nice, slow, fluid motions. Also, if you want to tie it up, the adjustment for the up and down shots is from here. So now it's released. You can do nice, slow movements. If you want to tie it up like this, it doesn't move, you release this one over here, and you can do movements left and right. It's really good. I like the nice and fluid movements, and this is one of the most important things that I needed in a tripod. So that's for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do it down below. I'll see you next time.